Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delightful episode where we explore the most whimsical and fun treats from around the world. Today, I'm diving into the whimsical world of fairy bread, a treat that's as magical as it sounds. Never heard of it? Well, you're in for a magical treat. This simple yet enchanting snack has been a favorite for generations. Fairy bread is a classic Australian treat that's become a global sensation, and for good reason. It's a staple at children's parties and a beloved snack for all ages. It's simple, it's colorful, and it's absolutely delightful. The vibrant sprinkles make it a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. So, what exactly is fairy bread? Let's break it down. Let's start with the basics. The beauty of fairy bread lies in its simplicity. Traditional fairy bread is made with three simple ingredients: white bread, butter, and sprinkles. That's it. But these humble ingredients come together to create something truly special. Yeah, that's it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. It's the ultimate nostalgic snack that brings back childhood memories and brightens up any party. It's a treat that's both timeless and ageless. First, you take a slice of soft white bread. The softness of the bread is key to achieving that perfect texture. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, can I use other types of bread? Sure you can. Whole wheat, sourdough, or even gluten-free options work. But for the authentic experience, white bread is the way to go. Next, spread a generous layer of butter across the bread. Make sure to cover every corner to ensure each bite is deliciously buttery. And finally, sprinkle on those colorful hundreds and thousands. That's what Australians call their sprinkles. The more, the merrier. Now let's talk about variations. While the traditional version is fantastic, there are endless ways to get creative with fairy bread. Some people love using Nutella instead of butter. This adds a rich, chocolatey twist to the classic treat. Imagine a slice of bread slathered with rich, creamy Nutella topped with vibrant sprinkles. It's a combination that's hard to resist. It's like a chocolate explosion in your mouth, perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Another popular twist is using cream cheese. This adds a creamy, tangy flavor that complements the sweetness of the sprinkles. It adds a tangy kick that perfectly balances the sweetness of the sprinkles. It's a delightful contrast that many people love. And for those who like a bit of a crunch, you can even toast the bread first. Toasting adds a whole new dimension to this treat. The warm, crispy texture combined with the melty butter and crunchy sprinkles is just divine. It's a sensory delight that's hard to beat. But hey, fairy bread isn't just about the taste, it's an experience. It's about the joy of creating something fun and colorful. It's about the joy of creating something fun and colorful. It's a simple activity that brings people together, whether you're young or just young at heart. It's about sharing a simple pleasure with friends and family, and sparking a bit of magic in your day. The smiles and laughter that come with making and eating fairy bread are truly priceless. So, whether you're planning a kid's birthday party, or just looking to add a bit of whimsy to your afternoon snack, give fairy bread a try. It's a guaranteed hit for any occasion. It's quick, it's easy, and it's guaranteed to put a smile on your face. The joy it brings is simply unmatched. Alright, food enthusiasts, that's it for today's magical journey into the world of fairy bread. I hope you enjoyed this colorful adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep spreading the magic, one sprinkle at a time. Stay magical, everyone.